Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, there is quite a bit to go through in the crypto news. We've got a mysterious Bitcoin wallet now becoming the third largest holder of Bitcoin in 3 months. That is insane. We've also got updates in relation to Ripple and Moneygram. That's interesting. Pro-Ripple lawyer says that the lawsuit cost XRP adoption 3 years, which is crazy. Bitcoin sitting below 26,000 US dollars. Vitalik selling $1 million of Ethereum with it anticipated to hit 1,000 US dollars. What is going on, guys? BlockFi updates as well. Australian CBDC and Optimism, another crypto that I'm looking at. I'm also going to be going through my bots, and there's a bit of chaos with everything in the moment, and we're going to go through it. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Let's get into it, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along with this incredible journey. Things are getting freaking crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? Formalities are out of the way, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going straight to the community tab because this is absolutely wild. We have a mysterious unknown wallet, obviously now accumulating $3 billion worth of Bitcoin in 3 months. Could this be a quiet move by financial giant BlackRock right now? And again, this is crazy to think that they've purchased $3 billion in Bitcoin in the last 3 months. It wouldn't surprise me, to be quite honest with you. Larry Fink is very, very bullish on Bitcoin because he knows what's coming for it. Anyway, we have an interesting price prediction as well for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. I should say XRP. I mean, 942,000 US dollars for Bitcoin by 2025, $43,000 Ethereum, and $8,000 XRP. I mean, if that happens, look out. We'll be sitting on some super yacht somewhere in the Mediterranean or the Bahamas, wherever. Things are going to get pretty crazy. Not only that, if it hits those levels, you're going to need to know how to manage some serious money, guys, because I don't think a lot of people actually do. It's easy to make it, but to hold on to it for life is another ball game altogether, and I do put that up in the Patreon, by the way. Now, we've got the top altcoins in my portfolio. We have Electroneum, Kin, Star Atlas, XPR Proton. It's not XRP, it's XPR Proton. It's a project where basically they are created to send crypto to one another. You use a username as opposed to a crypto wallet address, which is a hell of a lot easier, guys. And that's the reason why I bought that. And LCX as well. Now, moving on, let's go to Coinspot. Now, they are an official partner of the channel. And yes, this is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. Please feel free to use the referral link below. You will get $10 in Bitcoin. Of course, these prices are in Aussie dollars, Australian dollars. Everything else is set to US dollars because I'm catering for everybody around the world and my Aussie fans. Now, Bitcoin's sitting at $41,000 today. Ethereum's at $2,600. Could you imagine if this goes to 900,000 US dollars? That's going to be over $1 million Australian. And Ethereum absolutely mooning to, what was that before? Let me just have a look at this because this is crazy, right? 43,000 US dollars. I mean, you're talking nearly a $50,000 Ethereum in 2025. Anything is possible, guys. Crazy. XRP at $8,000 US. I mean, what would you do? Just for fun, what would you do? Let me know in the comments. I want to know what everyone's going to be doing. It's wild. Anyway, moving on, we have ADA at 41 cents. Doge is at 10 cents. Solana's at $33. We have Polkadot at $7 as well. Matic's at 89 cents, which is incredible. Shiba Inu's up 3.71% today, which is nice. Litecoin, $104. That is down significantly, guys. BCH, I am day trading that with my bots. $301. You've got Chainlink at $9 as well. XLM's at 19 cents. Hedera's at 9 cents. ICP at $5. This was 140 during the previous bull market. Moving down, we have Quant at 160. Now, previous bull market for this, guys, this was like at $400 to $500 Australian, if my memory serves me right. And this was crazy. VeChain was also up. Everything was up in the bull market. Wild. 2 cents for VeChain. Optimism is one I'm going to have a look at today at $2.53. I've been seeing quite a bit of optimism, guys, and I am day trading this as well. The graphs at 14 cents. We have ALGO at 15 cents. XDC at 8 cents as well. Now we've got Theta at $1. I was buying this at like $14. Can you believe that? Moving down, we have Neo at $11. We have Gala at 3 cents. Pepe's down 0.77% as well. Casper 2.96% at 5 cents, and IOTA's at 23 cents. And that is pretty much it, guys. Now, yes, I've got Crypto Bubble. Sorry, I'm losing my mind. Now, we've got the Wall Street Bull University linked below. And again, I put up on my buys, my sells, my trades, my crypto trading bots, my day trading bots, my grid futures bots, my dividend investing, which provides cash flow every single month, guys. And that is slowly growing because it's going to be generational wealth. A lot of information in here, guys, that's really useful. And I just filmed a video and put that up today on how to set up the day trading bots and my new setup, which is incredible. 1,071 posts. Go join up. That is linked below. Now, just to show you on my OKEx, this is no BS. This is my account. I got liquidated last night. You can see I'm at a loss of 1,000 Australian dollars, which is just nuts. On the week, I'm still up 182% here at $8,000, which is crazy. And on the month, I'm still up 519% here, 10,762, which is just wild. Now, my bots are basically day trading at the moment. I have 39 positions opened up. Again, I don't know why this perpetual futures is there. I have to probably get rid of that. But anyway, as you can see right here, I've got a long and short bot set up. And again, these are trading 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So again, I've got some perpetual futures contracts here, which is really nice as well. 39 positions opened up. A lot of coins. There is Optimism. I've got a short position open up on that one. And again, I'm just going to show you the history, which is quite interesting right here. And I'm just going to quickly go here. And yes, there are a few liquidations. This is what happens. You lose trades and you win trades. But most importantly, they're mostly winning trades. As you can see right here. And again, I've got DYDX, Toncoin, Alpha, taking small profits, guys. Small profits, but consistently. And you can see the 23rd is today, obviously, of August. And you can see that they're mostly winning trades. As you can see right here, they're all 22nd, 23rd, 23rd. You can see here they just basically are all the 23rd. I got liquidated out of here. You can see this. This is what happens when you trade with leverage. I do not recommend this. Okay, I'm just putting that out there. As you can see right here, a couple of winning trades, losers. This is my biggest loss last night. 806 USDT. That is a freaking lot of money, all right? Yeah, that one got me. So 25x leverage. I did have a loss on that one. And 25x is a big amount right here, guys. That's like... big money using 25x leverage. But anyway, mostly winning trades, which is incredible. So again, that is all in the Patreon, guys. I literally put a video on my new bot setup for both long and short positions. Go check it out. It's linked below, all right? Now, moving on, let's have a look here. Crypto bubbles on the day. I'm just going to refresh this. Now, again, it's a mixed bag at the moment. There are some incredible buying opportunities still. Like, for example, HBAR is down nearly 6.9% today, which is nice. And again, it is an absolute gem at 5 cents USD, in my opinion. It's still an incredible buy. Casper as well, 2.7% right here. It is at 3 cents USD. Still up 19.4% on the year, which is just nuts. Shiba Inu as well, down. Again, still in the week. It's still down on the year, but again, 3.5%. I am holding on to my Shiba Inu. They are burning a significant amount of tokens, guys. They really are. And we'll see where this meme goes. Of course, we have XLM down 2.7 today to 12 cents, which is really nice. Great buying opportunity. And again, Optimism is one that I'm really keeping an eye on, guys. 1.2%. And again, 8.7 on the week. It is up 24% on the year. $1.58 USD. Might be an interesting one that I need to have a deep dive, guys. XDC as well. A lot of hype has fallen off this, hasn't it? Interesting. This is what happens when FOMO kicks in and it just dies off. But again, I'm slowly dollar cost averaging into XDC at 5 cents. Very, very nice right there. Can't complain about that. Now, this is crazy. And I just want to have a look at this. But a mysterious Bitcoin wallet becomes the third largest holder in 3 months. 3 months. Where in the hell does someone get $3 billion in 3 months? It has to be BlackRock. But anyway, a mysterious Bitcoin wallet has surged up the ranks to become the third largest holder of Bitcoin at $26,050 in the world in just over 3 months, with the timing sparking some wild theories about its owner. According to the data from crypto statistics platform, obviously you can see a BitInfo charts, the wallet address first received Bitcoin on March 8th. Over the course of the next 3 months and 2 weeks, the wallet had accrued a staggering 118,000 Bitcoin, worth $3.08 billion at the current prices. And the rapid and significant accrual of Bitcoin within a single wallet address has attracted this fair share of conjecture. Some users suggest that it's most likely a crypto exchange moving funds, while some more radical members of the crypto Twitter have posted a more wild theory suggesting that BlackRock is the prime suspect. What do you think about that? The theory is not based on any solid evidence. However, others have shared their support, obviously, by posting pictures of large BlackRock right here. The current largest Bitcoin wallets in the world, according to BitInfo charts, are reportedly owned by Binance and Bitfinex as Bitcoin wallets, which is interesting as well. And the unknown Bitcoin whale wallet comes in third place, as it's then followed by another Binance cold wallet in fourth place. Interesting. What do you think it is? Probably is BlackRock getting ready. Maybe. Anyway, will Ripple and XRP Moneygram renew their partnership and add super bullish momentum to the current market circumstances right here, which is interesting. And Ripple has been on the lips of every top crypto player since it gained partial victory in the SEC lawsuit right here in July, and some new beneficial partnerships have sprung up as a result of the federal judge's ruling that XRP is not obviously a security when traded on secondary marketplaces. Now, on the other hand, old partners who previously burnt their bridges with the token have made an effort to amend them. Many of the exchanges, obviously, which previously delisted Ripple, I should say XRP, token included Coinbase and Kraken, and suddenly change of heart and relisted the crypto. Now some industry watchers are looking out for the possible collaboration between global money transfer giant MoneyGram and Ripple, the blockchain firm associated with the coin. Look at this, Ripple's $50 million investment in MoneyGram, a partnership ups and downs amidst the SEC scrutiny right here. Noteworthy, both financial firms have previously been in partnership that saw Ripple commit $50 million of capital to MoneyGram in 2019. And this investment gave Ripple about 10% of money transfer firms' outstanding common stock at the time. And as part of the agreement, MoneyGram used Ripple's technology XRapid, which is now referred to as on-demand liquidity, ODL, and to send money while using XRP as a bridge currency. And according to the filing with the SEC, the international remittance company generated up to $113 million from its strategic partnership with Ripple Labs. A press release further confirmed that the funds were received over 2 quarters in 2019 fiscal year. However, in 2021, MoneyGram suspended its arrangement indefinitely, and it was suspected to be an effect of the SEC lawsuit against Ripple, which is about 3 months old at the time. And obviously, to limit the disappointment, Ripple explained to its community members that its contract with MoneyGram is still in place and it's not limited to their use of ODL. Industry watchers expect MoneyGram to reinstate the partnership with Ripple, which is huge. Now that Ripple and XRP has a status cleared by a federal judge, it's only expected that MoneyGram reinstate the payment firm. If this eventually happens, it may serve a significant boost for XRP, which is likely, and many other altcoins, including XLM, again, which is going to be interesting as well. So keep an eye on that. Now, we have a pro-Ripple lawyer obviously stating that this case caused issues with XRP and adoption for 3 years. And obviously, guys, you can see this right here. Again, Ripple, however, secured a partial victory in the court case. And obviously, the New York right here and proclaimed that the sale of XRP token on exchanges is via algorithms did not constitute investment contracts, which is really bullish as well. And the legal expert right here, Johnny Deaton, spat hurt obviously only Ripple, but also XRP. Deaton claimed that the litigation had cost XRP 3 whopping years of adoption. In the crypto, 3 years is a long time. Since that period saw noteworthy advances, innovations, and parabolic bull rally, which again, what does that say to you is coming for the next bull run, which is not far away. The legal expert obviously highlighted how Coinbase was a big proponent of XRP before the lawsuit forced the exchange to delist the token. In fact, Deaton disclosed that he doubled down on his XRP stash after Coinbase added XRP trading and boosted XRP's utility. Cannot wait for the next bull run, guys. Now, of course, we've got Bitcoin below $26,000 at the moment, which is a freaking nightmare, and is a new low of 20,000 on the cards. I don't know, guys. I don't think so. But there's a lot of fear out there at the moment, given what the Federal Reserve is doing in the United States. Bitcoin fell on Wednesday morning in the Asia to trade below 26K. Ether also dropped as smaller top 10 non-stable coin tokens traded flat to lower. This is happening more and more, guys. I'm noticing it's the last couple of times in the last week or so, but I'm still remaining bullish and optimistic, of course. Now, we've got Vitalik selling $1 million worth of Ethereum on Coinbase only recently, probably the other day. And is he anticipating a drop to $1,000 which would be crazy? And you can see right here, guys, in a recent analysis, popular crypto market analyst Ali Martinez issued a cautionary note to crypto investors, highlighting the critical importance of Ethereum maintains support for 1600 to 1550 range. And Martinez's warning emphasized that the breach of this key support zone could expose Ethereum to substantial downside risks, potentially triggering a significant correction of 37% to 45%. Such a correction could potentially drive the price of popular crypto token to a new low of $1,000, which is just insane. Now, moving on, we've got BlockFi updates as well, just quickly. Has filed objections to repayments sought by fellow bankrupt firms FTX and 3 Arrows Capital. The bankrupt crypto lender has claimed that it has clients and creditors are FTX's ultimate victims. And as per the lender's estimates, the legal battles with FTX and 3 Arrows Capital could cost its customers $1 billion. Yeah, whatever. I mean, a lot of people lost significant amounts of money in that, which is terrible. But anyway, Australian CBDC may be useful for payments tokenization central bank. This has all got to do with Ripple, by the way, guys. They're working with the Australian Reserve Bank as well. And the Reserve Bank of Australia has wrapped up its CBDC pilot program and outlined 4 key areas that could improve by the introduction of central bank issued digital currency, guys. This is coming whether we like it or not. And we released the report here, obviously, on their findings. The Reserve Bank and the Digital Finance Cooperative Research Centre unveiled their findings in a 44-page report on August 23rd, today. And that also detailed a number of cases where CBDC wasn't exclusively required to achieve the stated use case. The pilot program of 4 primary areas right here that could be improved by CBDC, including the enablement of smarter payments where tokenized CBDCs enables a range of complex payment arrangements that are not currently supported by existing payment systems, which is interesting as well, guys. And, you know, look, as much as I hate CBDCs, they're going to be the future. Now we have, is it too late to buy Optimism OP? Rallies 5%, and Launchpad can find the next crypto to explode. As a leading Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution, Optimism OP enters the 5th day of recovery rally. Investors are asking, is it too late to buy Optimism? But significant resistance levels could mark the end of the upside moves. Optimism has rallied 5% since yesterday, and the action continues to grind to the upside in the hard-fought recovery rally, fueling bag holders' hopes. Which is interesting as well, guys. And again, a clean break above the 20-day moving average obviously could bring Optimism legs. Last time reclaimed this level since July, and the 20-day moving average provided nearly 30 days of support, which is interesting as well. And again, I'm looking at this project seriously, guys, to add to the portfolio as I am day trading at the moment. And you can see right here, guys, Launchpad XYZ, an innovative ecosystem designed to lower the entry barrier to Web3, is a user-friendly tools, insights, and analytics right now, and which is interesting as well. So we're going to have a look at Optimism in detail. I'm going to put some updates in the Patreon, and we'll see where we go. I might add that into the portfolio. Anyway, let's go to Cryptomator.io, ladies and gentlemen, see where the money has been flowing. Net flow right here, the buy flow Ethereum. We've got XRP, Solana, Optimism. There you go. Arbitrum. We have Rune. We have Hedera as well as TRX. Interesting. Let's go to Twitter. I should say X now. It's just getting weird to say that. But anyway, I'm at the Wall Street Bull odds. Go follow me there, guys. Yes, I'm giving this away when I hit 100,000 subscribers. Lord XRP, I love this, but reminder, old but gold, one of many connections to Swift. ACI will support XRP $14 trillion in daily transactions. $14 trillion a day. XRP will bridge all the money. I agree it will. $10,000 is crazy. Johnny Deaton, have a listen to
problems after the Torres decision. Well, Ripple could sell XRP abroad before the Torres decision. So the answer to your question is yes. But there's a Supreme Court case called Morrison, which basically requires, in order for the SEC to have jurisdiction over a sale of a potential security, it has to be within the United States of America. That's the SEC. SEC governs the United States. So one of the major defenses that Ripple always had was that 95% of their sales are outside of the United States. Therefore, the SEC doesn't have jurisdiction. When you think about Japan, the United Kingdom, Singapore, United Arab Emirates, Switzerland, and other jurisdictions that have declared, their regulatory agency has declared that XRP is not a security. So if Ripple or Brad Garlinghouse or anyone else sells XRP in Japan and it's not a security, how could that ever be considered illegal? So that's why also Ripple has been able to keep hiring during this crypto winter and been able to increase their market share, if you will, overseas because of that ability to sell XRP regardless of its regulatory status outside of the United States.
There you go. Very, very nice. We've got BitBoy, and obviously this is Donald Trump Jr. Have a listen to this.
What they're trying to do is make it to where they can do international cross-border payments much faster. So Bitcoin and XRP are both what we know as networks of value. So SWIFT system that runs the banking system right now, the international transfers, cross-border payments, it's a network of information. So when something is happening on the SWIFT system, somebody's got to come in on the back end and do all the work.
Yeah.
Well,
so if you're dealing with time differences and everything 100%. Else, like you would in an international transaction, that creates the headache.
Well,
or the time lag, really.
Well, it's 5 to 7 days is how long it takes.
Now, I just want to confirm that because I had a client that was going to obviously wire some capital from overseas in the United States to Australia via SWIFT. It takes 3 days just to get the funds. It's insane. That's 3 business days, mind you, as well. It's just crazy. Like, this needs to be fixed. I mean, this is why I'm so bullish on XRP, and I should say Ripple, what they're doing. I mean, it's dinosaur stuff. I could send somebody USDT in an instant like that. And in actual fact, I should have done that, but particular client didn't want to do that. But 3 days, 3 business days to send money from one country to the other. It's even longer sometimes. It's just ridiculous. Anyway, we are basically, thank you, Crypto Tony, for this. At this point in the market right here, anger, depression, disbelief. I don't know. Look, we're at the early stages right now of a bull market, in my opinion. And yes, I believe Bitcoin is going to absolutely skyrocket as well as Ethereum. Did watch an interesting video with Raoul Pal and his analysis on Ethereum. This thing could absolutely go to $40,000, I believe. Anyway, moving on. Yes, there's a couple of lists right here that I obtained. Obviously, Multicoin Capital. These are institutional portfolios. Up to date. Pantera Capital as well. And we also have Polychain Capital. Very interesting. I've got the full 50 top institutions in the Patreon. Go join up to that. Hedera tweeting out utility. Absolutely no-brainer. 37 on the Fear and Greed Index today. And let's go to Coin Market Cap and we'll have a look here, guys. 1 trillion, 1.05 trillion is very low. $34 billion in volume is very low. Again, when this starts getting back up to the bull market, 3 trillion plus, which I think is easily going to happen, you're going to start seeing volumes of like $130, $150 billion in 24 hours. That's when things are going to get pretty wild in the space. Now, again, 48% BTC, 18% Ethereum. And again, I've got my portfolio here, guys. Yes, this gets put up in the Patreon every single morning. And obviously, you can see the gainers. Harmony 1, you've got Shiba Inu, Near Protocol, Casper, Anchor, TRX, and Win. Kin, again, that's just a little bit of fun. Where my main focus is, of course, is utility, guys. Projects that are using obviously that are building out the new payment rails for the new financial world. And these are the projects right here. So I have updated this. It's in the Patreon. Go join up. But that is pretty much it, guys. I'm very bullish on XRP still and the whole crypto market. And yes, the day trading is obviously down today, but it's still trading, and hopefully it'll pick up overnight. That is it, guys. Thank you very much. I'm out of here. Hope you have a good night, a good evening, and a good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso. And I'll speak to everyone tomorrow, guys. Peace out. Bye.